Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. President of World Boxing, Boris van der Verst, has hailed the state of the sport in Jamaica while promising to help improve the development of boxing locally. Jermaine Brown reports.
President of World Boxing, Boris van der Verst, says he was impressed with several aspects of the sport locally as he concluded his 5-day visit to Jamaica earlier this week. Van der Verst made several stops on his tour, including at local gyms. There is one initiative that he was particularly pleased with.
It's a great visit. The team of boxing boss Bomber is doing a great job here in Jamaica with initiatives like gloves over guns. I was the first day that I was here in Jamaica. I was visiting a local gym in Montego Bay, and it was really heartwarming to see the young boys, young kids transforming their lives through boxing, the social impact of boxing, these kind of projects, the grassroots projects.
But even though noting he was pleased with the state of the sport locally, Van der Verst says there is one area that needs immediate support.
You need to have international competitions also here in Jamaica, and I think the initiative with the futures and also getting over some boxers from Cayman, that's great, but you need to have more competitions, and that's, I think, the most important message for me to the Caribbean and President Bomber to see how we can assist and support more international competition championships here in the Caribbean.
Meanwhile, President of the Jamaica Boxing Association, Stephen Bomber Jones, was recently voted in as a council member of the world governing body. He hopes this will further reposition Jamaica's status in the sport globally.
Humbled, but honored to be chosen by the rest of my peers in the region to represent the Pan American Confederation. But you have to learn quickly, it's levels, you're speaking on levels that where there are no weak links, can't be any weak link. And the fact that Jamaica is now at the table, we have to make sure that we match the high level other members that are at the table, and we want to make sure that the confederation here is the #1 confederation in world boxing.
And Jones described Van der Verst's visit to Jamaica as a major boost for the sport locally.
Because Boris, as him being here, and as humble as you hear him speak, he's the most in-demand president currently worldwide. His time is his time is in demand in all areas of the globe. And to choose to come to Jamaica to be a part of our program and to see what we have done, not just visiting as a courtesy visit, but to embrace and get entrenched in our grassroots program, right, in the community.
Van der Verst departed Jamaica on Wednesday as he continued his tour of the Americas region.